Welcome to my video. What the heck are master resell rights anyway? Anyone who has been online for any length of time has heard of master resell rights for information products. The master resell rights are some of the most valuable rights that you can purchase, especially when it comes to ebooks. Usually when you get master resell rights, you will get a sales letter along with the product itself. This makes it easier for you to start finding customers and to start making profits right away. So what exactly are master resell rights for information products? When you get resell rights with a product, this gives you the right to sell that product and keep all of the profit. However, with master resell rights you get a whole lot more than that. You will not only be able to sell the product, but you will also be able to sell the rights to resell it to other people who buy it from you. What this means for you is that you can resell the business opportunity by selling someone else the rights to use the information product, the sales letter, and the chance to generate a great income for themselves. How do you find the best master resell rights products to sell? One important thing that you want to take into consideration with master resell rights products is how long has the product been available for sale. You need to find out if the market is already saturated with this product. You may be able to make money with products that have been available for sale for a while, even if there is a saturated market already. You will just need a list of people who have not already heard of this information product, because they would be more receptive to buying it. The easiest way to get this list is to find people who are brand new to the idea of a home business for making money online. This can be easier than it seems, because there are new people coming online every day that are looking for ways to make money. This would give you a chance to make a good profit from the popular internet marketing and other master resell rights products that are available. The biggest obstacle that you will need to overcome with master resell rights is to find a market that is hungry for the products that you are selling. Then it is just a matter of giving them what they are hungry for. Master resell rights products will cost you a little more than the other resell rights products would. However, they also give you the ability to make even more money with them than the other types of resell products. You can sell the master resell rights products for a higher profit. You want to make sure that you take the time to find the right master resell rights products before you buy anything. One of the best ones that you can buy is with a new product that does not have a saturated market and has not been sold for years. This will take you some time to find, but if you are willing to look for them, then you will have a much better chance of making money faster. This is because with the new products that have a hungry market already, you will be one of the first ones selling it. So taking the time to find the best master resell rights for information products will be worth the time and effort you put into it. So do some research and take your time to find the right product for you to sell. You will not regret it, especially when you start making big profits with it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified.